my little construction project.
Just low again?
Low, 6 inches.
Impact!
Lower right, you got it.
Yes! Oh yeah, that was funny. Impact! Impact!
Oh, yeah. Oh, Bruce. He was like,
Impact! Oh, yeah!
I can't believe it's a target.
You don't really care. Impact! Jump small target. I got a little bit with the group. Impact! 30 seconds. Impact!
Hit left, but that's good.
Hey, man, that's cool, dude. That is cool.
Go for the snake for 10 points.
Here we go.
All right, Steve, here we go. On the snake. Miss.
Do a perch.
All right, Steve, where would you like to send your second shot? The deer or the rattlesnake?
Oh, good Lord. That was a dumb mistake.
It's in the.
Oh, well.
Going to the snake.
Going for the snake.
Snake for 10 points. Whenever you're ready. Miss. All right, Ryan, you have 2 shots now with those lower targets. We will go to the far targets regardless after this. Both ears, 5 points.
All right.
Give me a 0.3 on center, 0.3 right. Straight up fast.
Next shot. Take the snake.
All right, Ryan, you go for the snake.
Yep.
Impact!
Oh.
Miss. Ryan wins. Team off for second place for heavy.
Nice.
That's my son.
I
recognize that. I shouldn't do.
Thanks, buddy.
Impact, 5 points.
Stay on it. Same one.
You're gonna stay on the bottle target. Okay, staying on the bottle for 5 points. Impact for 5 points. All right, Scott. When you're ready, bottle it down. Bottle it down. Impact for 5
Good
points.
shot, Scott.
Scott, we got to stay on the whiskey bottle. So it's not glass.
Same one.
Stay on the whiskey bottle. Miss. Con, you are in the lead with 10 to 5. Impact. 5 more points. Impact. All right. Bottom's up. Fire when ready.
You got this. You got this.
Miss. Todd Hatfield wins. Congratulations to all the shooters and winners of the Big Four event. Thank you for coming out and shooting.
Well, you did great. Nailed it. Nailed it.
Nailed it.
I think that deserves a yeehaw for your dad. What do you think? 3, 2, 1. Yeehaw!
I thought it was just you.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Thanks for your help.
You can feel the trigger. It's not turned on, but that's what you feel. You felt it before. Yeah. I remember the first time you touched it, it went off. Yeah. I was like, oh shit. This one is not so bad. This one's got a definite click. Yeah. The other one is very. Yeah.